We are live right now. That's great. So no bullshit. Let's grow this account. But we need to grow this account with cautious. I'll deep dive into my analysis before I take an execution. I hope this account will be brought in this month. So let's see how today we are gonna perform. So I start with my higher time frame analysis. As you can see, there is a week time frame, daily, 1 hour, then 1 minute. I prefer to use the 4 hour chart, also the 1 hour. That's beautiful. Yeah. And my trading is basically framed onto 5 key foundations. To each these foundation, I regard them as foundational levels, foundation key levels. To each the fastest bias, I'm looking for direction plus loan liquidity. Thereafter, I want to build an narrative and to how I'm gonna lead the target or the drawn liquidity. It depends. It's a major drawn liquidity, intermediate drawn liquidity, or a minor drawn liquidity. Thereafter, I check for my context. This is an entry area. And fourth, I look for my entry, to which I prefer using the sharp turn entry. This is just a reversal entry. Apart from that, the last thing I wanna do is risk management, which is 1:2 risk to reward. Beautiful. I'm just cleaning up the charts. Thereafter, we shall do a deep analysis from higher time frames to lower. I'm trying to find my bias on these time frames actually. The weekly chart, the daily chart, but also the 4 hour chart, to which mostly I will use the 4 hour chart to build my context, my narrative, and through my getting a narrative, I'll find a context and take my trade into consideration. So right now I'm trying to find the bias or direction to which I'll draw the liquidity to. My concepts depend on two. My analysis depends on two concepts. The first one is liquidity. Second one is imbalance. That is fair value gap. To which price just moves on two directions. I don't mean two directions. Price move on two ways, either to seek liquidity or to fill an imbalance. That's it. So right now we have filled this imbalance here, tap 2, and we have seen a reaction, to which the second candle did push higher, but we anticipate this candle to push higher to be drawn onto this higher liquidity here. So this looks like our major target. Or we can say major drawn liquidity. But also we can see we have an intermediate drawn liquidity. Which is obvious. If price hits here, it might want to seek this liquidity low here, or it might want to seek the liquidity low there, high there actually. So on a weekly chart, we are bullish. That's beautiful. Let's go into a daily chart. Very clean. As you can see, our daily chart, we have an imbalance like here. Which was tapped onto, and then it did an impulse reaction, as you can see here. But if you look closely, it's not an imbalance which did that actually. Something called an order block. As you can see here, there is this order block here. I said I use only two concepts like that, but to showcase like why price moved there. Just that it didn't respect this favor gap, but it respected this overlapping PDLA, which is an order block plus a favor gap here. And if you look closely, price didn't close below. It's just tapped and played around here, but didn't close within these overlapping gaps or overlapping bars, which is kind of beautiful. So this makes us anticipate the price to be higher, but it doesn't mean that we can be like bullish every day. Some days, as you can see this day, today we are bearish, but I don't consider it as a bearish currently, and because you can see this candle here is trying to build up or and leave an imbalance like here. To which this imbalance we might reach out to after this candle close, this daily candle closes. As you can see, we didn't close above the impulse candle, the expansion candle. That means this candle, if this candle closes below this expansion candle, we expect the next candle to be bearish. So currently I would say, as per my analysis, after pushing higher, I would say I'm bullish right now. So daily bullish. But need to do something here. Just to make the chat screen. Beautiful. So daily we're bullish. I'm bullish for the daily, as though the candle is pushing bearish, but I'm bullish. Currently, just push. I anticipate this would push higher. But I have said that the next candle might go low and top here, then we might push higher. So daily bullish unless and as you can see right here on this bullish. It's kind of beautiful. Daily and bullish, but the next candle obviously anticipate to be bearish. Why? Because of this snare right here. Price pushed higher, greater than bars. This candle did close there, pushed here. We might pull back and tap here. Then we might seek this near liquidity there. That's an anticipation to which it might play well. As I said, I'm bullish on the daily chart. I just want to see that everything plays out on my side, else I might be dynamic and go bearish. It depends. So I'm looking for support to go bullish on these lower time frames. Here we go on our 4-hour chart. There's something beautiful I can see here. I just understand this line right here. It's not, but it's not a line properly though. It's okay. Bit. Alright, this shot looks awkward right here. Set everything else. What's happening actually? This is kind of weird though. I don't know what's happening though on the chart. It's kind of weird. Let me try and do this. It's obvious we must see that on the chart though. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Yeah, let's check on our 1 hour. Yep, we see these are defined parameters for nothing but they. Do this. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good at all. Okay. Well, okay, let me go to 1 hour. Let's see. So on a mini chart, I can see data. But I see nothing on this chart. This it's kind of lunatic, right? As in the way of saying it. Oh, now let me try and fix this. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, yeah, they are beautiful. So we are back again, my Nick. Back again. Let's go to- Oh, I think I started. That's what I was waiting for. Okay, next day we are bearish. Trust me, guys. This is bearish candle. Unless, unless, but we are bearish. As I told you, we'll be seeking this liquidity here. On my time here is like 9 a.m. This is another day in New York, and to my side is 9 a.m. A new day, that's 17th May. We either gonna seek these equal highs, then go down, else let's see how the market plays out for the day. But I'm bearish right now. This is kind of equal highs liquidity. Yeah, it's like equal highs. So price might choose either to get into this equal highs or draw fast here and then push higher. But obviously we'll be attracted to this daily parallel gap before we push higher. So looking to be bearish. And I am doing what the market tells, not what I'm thinking. That's why you can see me changing flow. Bullish to bearish. Let's go on our 4-hour time frame. Okay, everything looks pretty good here. I'm bearish, and it would be great if like we get attracted onto this imbalance, to fit this imbalance first before going higher. The overall trend, as you can see from a week perspective, we are bullish. On a daily perspective, we need to be bearish in order to this is our narrative actually. This is our narrative here. This area is a narrative area. As I told you, if you check right here, it is how to hit the drawn liquidity, which is an intermediate drawn liquidity. So a narrative is this area. We need first to tap the or to feed the imbalance before pushing high. So yeah, our narrative, this is our daily narrative from a week perspective, to which I won't be able to wait the whole day to wait for the whole day to hit there and then push higher. That's what, that's why I'm using the lower time frames. This will be my 1 minute time frame. So I'm changing every time from bias to narrative, narrative to bias, then I will hit context, entry, and so forth. So right now, if you look close onto our 4 hour time frame, we don't have on this leg actually right now, this leg here. On this leg here, we don't have something called a fair value gap. We only have these liquidity points. Like we have a liquidity here, we have liquidity right here, which this is a minor liquidity. Oh, minor low liquidity. We might go here or go there. Either way is but as we can see from the daily perspective, I'm bearish. We expect to go higher before pushing low. So would be pulled to this daily fair value gap, but this minor liquidity. That's what's my anticipation. And let's go, because I don't see a fair value gap to push lower to this minor liquidity. Then I would go to lower time frame, find an imbalance actually. I don't have an imbalance, as you can see. We just did a retracement like here, and now we can see we have a rejection wicks going higher, but also there's also a rejection wick go lower, but we pushed lower. That's kind of beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, no imbalance to which I need to go lower. Going lower below the hourly time frames and going to minutes time frame, that's a little bit low risk entries. All this no risk. It's like these are low risk areas to build a narrative context as entry. No, to build a narrative from, because I prefer building narrative from hourly and above. So let's do this as long as we want to lose this money. Yeah, let's go to our 15 chart, our 15 minutes chart. Okay, not here actually, it's a weekly chart. Yeah, it's a 15 chart. That you can see here. They had like an imbalance right here, which should hold the price going lower, but it didn't, and created a new imbalance right here, to which this should hold the price higher, going higher. And as you can see, it went even below this, which it means this has been mitigated. Actually, no use of it, same here. But as I said, I'm just looking for an imbalance to go lower to hit this. I can see there was an imbalance like here to reach us a little bit touched to upon, like here touched, people put their entries right here and they moved out, but this didn't drive a lot of market below, and price came back onto this mitigated imbalance and push below. We created a new imbalance like here, but this didn't hold the price, which led to a price to create a new imbalance here, to which we suspect that price might go higher because we have created turn like here. But as you can see, no, it doesn't. We might push lower because we created another bars. If you look closely, to which I might take an entry onto this imbalance like here. Yep, if it gives me that U-turn as an imbalance like here, creating these equal loops, I can see it tries to give me that turn. So I might take an entry like here. If I don't mind, put the chart. Gives me that turn I want. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, kind of beautiful. It doesn't. Doesn't. Like that. Wait minutes. Oh, let's see how this plays out. You. If it shows, okay, manuality is going low, and we might try to hit this here, but I'll try to find a minor or temporary drawn liquidity, which might be this one right here because of ecolos. If we come onto this house with the price line, it's okay. Which is kind of beautiful. Yeah. It's that is moving, so it locked. That's beautiful. We're pushing higher. Double check. Yep. We want to see something here. Oh, price has just did this and just filled our imbalance, and let's wait for our sharp turn if it does keep, and that obviously would be great. It will be awesome. As it might seek liquidity here if this doesn't respond. Oh shit. This should be a 1 minute chart. That's what I want to see. I don't see a further gap in here. It is okay. It's kind of beautiful results showing the I want to push lower. There is a further gap right here being respected. I want to see further gap in. to reach the fair gap in its here, like you close the, yeah, there's a fair gap like, oh wow, seems it hasn't respected at all. So I'm taking this favor gap from this 5 minute favor gap because I don't see it being displayed there, which is kind of weird though, and it hasn't been respected, and also as feels weird. It has been respected only once, as you can see right here. Oh, it has also been mitigated. I didn't see that though. So that's beautiful. So it means we're going for this liquidity right here, and absolutely. Like I'm right, I'm correct. We're going for this liquidity right here. Yes, we might push higher for this equal highs here. But same, daily bearish. B right here. Yeah, finding a support area to which I don't see it on 2 minutes. Let's see this favor gap. Let's see favor gap in. I want favor gap out. On 15 minutes, we have already mitigated this. That's kind of useless. We are looking for pretty light here. Let's see if we're gonna take that. It run there. It's kind of useless. I should get favor gap in, which is this here. This is called a gateway gap. Oh yeah, that's it. A breakaway gap. Like it won't be returned after the liquidity has been taken first. If this liquidity has been taken, then we shall come back to this gap here. I'll be looking to go low if we take this liquidity like here, swing high. And it's kind of want it only on lower time frames. Yep, yep. Let's go. Let's go. You see a further gap right there. Let's go. What does our 1 hour tells us? Tells us that we are going for actually these equal highs right here, to which it's what's being noted there on a blue line. This is like I can call it a magnet. Oh, not a magnet actually. This is like a temporary drone liquidity to frame our reversal. Not that we talk Beautiful there. We need to come right here. Thereafter, bam, going low. Just reacted upon this. Yep, let's touch that. Come on, come on, come on. Get there, bro. Come on. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let's hit that in bars. If I see a sharp turn, I take an entry from there. And risky and 1 to 2, as I said. Where am I building my narrative from? I'm building my narrative from this equal, not this equal eyes actually. The equal eyes right here on our 1 hour chart. This equal eyes here is the where I'm building my narrative from. You can see a rejection here. If I get this market size, was like there, I'll sell short. Yeah, that's kind of beautiful. That's I guess this is my entry though. I told you this gap breakaway gap must be reached after the liquidity has been taken, as you can see here. So right now we need the next candle to see next candle how it closes. Then we take our entry right there. So let's wait for these seconds to close and let's see this candle how it closes. Then we take our entry 1 to 2. We're done. It's not in our direction, then yeah, it's okay. Let's see. Oh wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rejection though. I like that. Let's wait and see how it closes. Beautiful. I'm taking an entry because it's a breakaway gap. Bam. I mean guys. As you can see here, right here. And I need to set my TPs. Which I think my entries lie here. And my TP will be above that. Not TP actually. Stop loss there to reach stop loss fast. You know the market will pay out. Confirm. Then take profit 1 to 2. Okay, I don't. Yeah, I'll probably check like okay. Just stick to the plan. 1 to 2. Wow. Yep. Created a further gap right here, to which I think it should be respected if price tries going away. Oh wow, it hasn't been respected. Wow. Our breakout gap has been taken out. Oh, this is not cool. that this is not good. Has not been respected. No need to note that. And this is a breakaway gap to which I don't know. It should not be respected though. If this fair value gap, if here we create a fair value gap, there's a problem because we cannot have a sharp turn like here. This should hold. Actually, this fair value gap right here should have hold. Means our entry is not correct, and yeah, we're losing some bags right there. If you remember, I said before, just using lower time frames to frame our trades is kind of weird or low risk because we framed on these equal highs here. And let's see how everything has pressed. But framing this on this swing high here, that's a big problem. But that's my bias, bearish. Let's see how the market plays out. You should not take even 30 minutes, only to 5 to 10 minutes. I'll know that it will take me out. It will stop me out. Else to hit my TP. But we have created another fair value gap, which is kind of weird, which shouldn't be that way, because this is a price. It's called BPR, balance price range. This area, which seems which will be much stronger to push the price higher. Somewhere we're having the same thing, but don't hold. Why? This was a breakaway gap. Shouldn't be traced back before taking liquidity low, which is kind of weird. Let's see the market, how it plays out. This fair value gap should hold price and push higher, else the bulls are in trouble, trust me. This should push the price up. This here, we dipped onto that, should push the price up very fast to stop me out actually. Yeah, I can see that, but that'll be a big problem if they won't stop me out actually. I'll stop them out. Take my TP. That should push the price up. This candle should not cross low actually. Yeah, something like that. Then I'll be stopped out. To which it's okay. That's what we're trying to achieve though. To blow the account, right? Yeah. Now that's okay now. There, that's great. This has crossed above this fair value gap. Then we're likely to go and push. We're likely to go and stop me out. The price is likely to go and stop me out. It's kind of okay. So this candle here, tap this, and after tapping this, they showed the next candle should push higher and create another fair value gap, but it didn't. This candle tries to seek liquidity lie here, which means there's kind of trouble out there. Now this price is trying to seek the liquidity line here. The liquidity line here. This has already been mitigated. So temporary liquidity line here. Swing high, that's a swing high. It would be great if the next candle should create a fair gap will come onto this BPR, because much of price action to push the price higher, it will be around this BPR. Wow, this candle just closed within a fair gap, which doesn't look good because there is a little bit of consolidation right here. Price tries to seek this liquidity and also tries to seek liquidity here. Let's check out. I guess it might seek this liquidity before pushing higher, or it might come onto this fair value gap right here, to which we have another BPR. We have like a lot of BPR right here. Like there is here. Okay, that was here, which supported a price actually, that's pretty nice, so obvious. But I don't think if we push this long. Let's see. Oh shit! You see? That's a little kind of weird. As I told you, the BPR will support the price. As you can see, BPR supports the price. But this price is acting weird though. This didn't hold, which is kind of useless. BPR should be their last option to push the price higher or to stop me out. If BPR won't hold, that's kind of weird. Then price might go on my way. Yeah, this liquidity was taken out like nothing. That's bad. Okay. I think PPL hasn't held actually the price, and the next step is to see a favor gap created, and this is obvious like a market maker model. If you guys have ever realized there's something like that from somebody called ICT. So I need to see a favor gap created or an imbalance being created for my confirmation to go low onto my liquidity point. How's this kind of gonna reverse anytime? This PPR is kind of useless. Same for this imbalance. This imbalance isn't supported a price to go low. But this fair value gap right here, this imbalance right here, kind of useless. And wow, that's beautiful. Come on, let's go low. Let's leave a fair value gap to which we might tag. Oh, that's bad. That's a fucking bad sign. Because price line now goes to seek liquidity line here on these equal lows. Here's another liquidity point where price will try and seek. Come on, bro, leave some favor gap. Come on. The funny thing about crypto, we might like stuck for 30 seconds and the price might just go high like and you'll be like stopped out, like it's okay. Price doesn't give me what I need. This is typically bad. but it should be moved onto this liquidity here. This liquidity should be taken out because that just equals. Oh, it came to this equals like here. It's okay. But it should not create another fair value gap going high or an imbalances going high. That's bad for me. And good to bloat and good for the account to be bloat. Actually. I need to see the marked price. Okay, what did I do now? Okay, give me the last price. Let's go low. Come on. What's taking you so long? Yep. We need to take this equal lows like here. This is the obvious one. Thereafter, I guess the next stopping point is like here. If we keep creating imbalances going lower. Come on, that should hit that target. Yep. That's great. Closing below that, a good sign on my side. Come on, you should close below that. Come on, price. Oh no, 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 no. No, close below that. Come on. We are landing on liquidity, bro. You didn't close below that. What's that then? That's bad sign because it looks like we sweep liquidity out there. Let's see this candle it close, but it should leave an imbalance. Why? Because we have an order block right here. If price will come back, yeah, let me just put big picture so that we can start properly here. If price will be driven back, it will come for this area here, an order block here. Let's forget about this. This has been learned onto. The most interesting part will be this order block right here, and also these equal highs of the order block, body of the order block of the gap. So price will come here and we might move lower, and that's it. I'm happy we created a breakaway gap like here, but it looks like it will be traded on two, but I don't think so. If it does, then it will hit this or this and then move away. I don't want to see price just playing around this area. Let's see. Yep. You need to tap this line and move much lower. Come on, where are you heading? Like that, I like that. Yep, you need to close below that line. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful price. That's kind of beautiful. Now I can see we are communicating now. After reaching this order block, we might seek lower liquidity, which is obvious. I can see some minor fair value gap, some minor imbalances right here. There's an imbalance to which I don't think it will be strong enough. Yeah. Also, there is an imbalance to which right here. Yeah. And there are like millions of imbalances to which I can know this is like a BPL if you look closely. Yeah. overlapping PDLAs, something that kind of beautiful. But there's another one, this one, another one, this one, which kind of a lot. But I'll mark the obvious one, which looks like this one. Yeah, that's beautiful. So price like reaching here, we do a little bit of juggle, I guess. Thank you for this order book being respected. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I need to see another imbalance being created lower. Price might. Oh, come on, price. You need to push lower hard to take this low to take this imbalance very hard because it's kind of useless. Take it, please. And don't close above it, please. It will feel like it's an angel there. Nah, don't close above that. You might go lower on this. Yeah, there's this PPLI here. Yep. Come on to Papalai here. Create another fair value gap by here, which would be great to push the market toward this freeze price. You don't need to close above that. Yes. Come on. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We learn upon this imbalance. Then price should like create another imbalance like here going lower. Then that imbalance will be used to push price towards this area like here, and this imbalance should be a little bit big. But if price closes this imbalance and doesn't create like here, we're into big problems. Trust me. Like that. We're into big problems. This is a little bit okay. We are closing that. That's bad. That's kind of bad. Very, very bad sign. Bad sign. Trust me. I don't trust that shit though. It's kind of bad sign like here. This will be great toward the price. But price will reach onto this imbalance like here. Why? Because this candle didn't close be above this. So we have to reach onto this and then push lower like here, take this liquidity and take this liquidity, which is kind of good sign. Need to take two liquidities, like this liquidity swing low and an imbalance, but should hit you and go low, else we're into big troubles. Let's see. Okay, that's bad now. That's typically bad. This level has already been respected, so kind of useless. Also, this kind of useless. Same for this other block, but here, if price crosses above that imbalance, we are seeking this equal highs like here, and price should not close above this. It will be bad for me. Totally bad. That's bad. Yeah, this is bad though. Unless this sweep this liquidity of this bullish candle and closes below it, then this would be good. Means that we've just done an even. I don't know what the other name, but even. But it's kind of bad. Like now I can see. Yeah, this is bad. But let's see how it plays out. Right, that candle should close below the bullish candle. Damn, it didn't, man. This is bad actually. So price might seek this liquidity line here. Price might come and seek liquidity line here. Which price might go low or land on top this. Let's see. If we tapped here and close below this line, then we are good to go low. Oh, wow. That's bad. Yeah. Ah, beautiful, man. That's bad. Oh, wow. Beautiful manipulation up there. But I wanted it to close below this to gain more confidence. My price action. This is kind of useless right now, man. It came onto this body, I guess, and pushed below. Man, we should come low. Come on. Come on, Mr. Price. I be waving you. You should. The only thing I don't want to see onto this price going higher should not create another imbalance going higher, because that imbalance might be a breakaway gap to which it would be reached upon reaching this liquidity line here. Else it would be like an imbalance, a normal imbalance to which price might retrace back and hit higher. So I don't want to see that imbalance being created. To which this swing higher is pretty good to me due to tapping onto equal lows of this order block here. But price is trying to play around this liquidity area to which has already been taken out, and it's kind of useless. Same here, this is kind of also useless, and we have liquidity like here. Price might seek two things, liquidity or fill imbalances. So price might seek liquidity higher or come and seek liquidity lower, which they are equal lows right here. Let's see. So now we have taken this liquidity line here to which this candle right here should not close above this line for us to look at it as a sweep of liquidity. Wow, that's great. That's crazy. And that's it. With this candle, I can see it has closed and created this deep. That's a bad sign right here. We are going to take this liquidity. We might close. Yeah, that speed. I can stop that. Yeah, yeah. Yes, it's for today. Let's meet another day. Thank you. Wow, beautiful. That's a beautiful loss today. Beautiful loss. Hey, I like that. Hmm. Yes, I might take an entry again. Nah, I won't take. That would be like trying to get greedy and trying to chase the market. Market wasn't suitable for me today, and this is what happened. Just something to note, like should not highly depend on these lower time frames or drawn liquidity, and that's something that I've learned. So I guess it's a good day. Or you guess that the price might come and hit me on my TP. Anyways, that's okay. It's okay. That's great. See you guys, but my plan was executed very clean. Sharp turn, entry, bam. We prayed along here, and I was wrong about the bias. I don't know, but that's how the market it is. I blame now, but the main issue is to stick to higher time frames, 1 hour and above. That's it for draw for areas to build my narrative from, and that's it. Shut out. Peace.